it's me again. I'm going to be cutting a piece of aluminum this big, and I think I'm going to cut a piece of steel too, at the same length. I think it's what do you call it? 4.5 inches. See? There, I'll try to show you that here. I'm cutting a piece of steel, 4.5 inches. I might also cut this bar here at 4.5 inches. What am I going to cut it with? I'll show you. I'm going to cut it with this thing right here. This gadget. Good old-fashioned Dewalt. The Dewalt metal cutting reciprocating saw. We're going to cut some. I got a big bar of aluminum to lop off, and I'm just going to see which. I don't know. I might make just 2 jaws, a set of aluminum and a set of steel ones, but the steel ones might be thicker than I might. I don't know. I think I should try to find at least a thinner piece of steel, because I don't know if I want jaws this thick on that stupid thing. But then again, I don't know, it might look a little beefy on there. I have some beef on it, so I don't know. I'll make a big thick set of jaws, and I don't think it'll matter. And then I'll try to make another one after. So stay tuned. I'll make some jaws. Or actually, I'm going to cut the steel, and I'll figure out where the holes are, and then I'll do the whole lineup thing and whatever. You know what I'm talking about. And sorry about the. Oh, that's weird. Shadows in here. Let's see how this cuts. Let's see if this is deep enough. Maybe drop it down a little. Is that deep enough? Yeah. Oops, I just screwed it up. That's about right. Tighten that up. And we will cut. Oh, I forgot something. Forgot something very important. This thing cuts really good. Forgot the most important part. Don't forget the safety glasses. This thing throws out bits like you wouldn't believe. Okay, there we go. Well, that was cool. Yeah, which side is gonna burn my hand? Not bad. I think I fried the blade. But did I fry the blade? Let's check. Looks fine. Just has some tough metal there. Okay, we got one piece. Let's try some aluminum now. Let's have some fun with aluminum. There we go. Hello YouTube. I'm just lopping a piece off first. Then I'm gonna use it. folks. Look at the winner. Look at that. It cuts aluminum like crooked butter. Yeah, there we go. Crooked butter, I should say. Yes, how straight is that? Well, it's not that straight, but yeah. Unless we gotta get us a little piece, cut off, get it in the milling machine, and we'll shave it down in the milling machine. Let me see now. I got this little thing here. We'll cut that a little bit bigger. And we'll cut this end a little bit bigger here. Right about there. There. Where the hell's the damn mark? I hate this. The mark is right there. Okay. There's one of them. The mark of the devil. Right there. There's one. 4.5 is right about there. A little more. So we'll just cut a little further. Ta-da! We'll take this out of here. Da-da-da-da. Lo-dee-da-dee-da. There we go. The wangos, the tango. I'm just gonna lop it right in the middle here. Slop it right off in the middle. Slop it like it's hot. There we go. Honestly, the only thing I don't like about this is the blade guard. The blade guard pushes on it too much, but I mean, look at this. Cuts aluminum really good. It's aluminum shit everywhere, too. I gotta make myself a space to cut this shit somewhere. It's okay, though. I got the vacuum cleaner. Stay posted. I'm gonna go on the milling machine next.